Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got you a lantern that isn't just a lantern. It's everything you need for working outdoors or going for adventure. It's one beast of a gadget. It's the Nitecore NWL30, the ultimate multifunctional outdoor companion. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload. This thing cranks up 3,000 lumens. That's not a lantern. That's a portable miniature sun. It lights up to 131 yards. That's enough to light up your campsite, work area, and more. Worried about losing light? On its lowest setting, this thing runs for 158 hours. That's like almost a whole week of consistent light, or about 20 working days. It got cool white, warm white, and everything in between. Customizable with a smooth dual knob setup. One control the color and one control the brightness level. Turn the knobs like you're DJing your campsite vibes. And for my fellow outdoor enthusiasts, you're gonna love this. An 18,000 milliamp battery. That's enough juice to charge up your phone, camera, drone, smartwatch all at once. Fast charging with both USB Type-C and USB-A. That's like having a mini power station in your backpack. And for the beam shot, this bad boy goes from 50 lumen to 3,000 lumens and everything in between. Neutral white light on the high mode give you 3,000 lumen and can run for 7 hours and 30 minutes. And on the low mode give you 50 lumens and can run for 130 hours. With a color temperature from cool 6500 Kelvin to warm 2700 Kelvin to get the best light color for your needs. And let's not forget about red light. Consistent on is 25 lumens and can run for 80 hours. Slow flashing red light is 25 lumens. Now let's take a look what comes in the box. You get the NWL30 carrying case, USB Type-C charging cable, and the manual. It's powered by a massive 18,000 milliamp battery because this lantern doubles as power bank. It allows you to charge two devices at the same time using the two ports. One USB Type-C which offers 20 watts in and out, while the other one is a USB Type-A with 18 watts. And this one is out only. And as far as for the design, it's sleek and functional. You got two knobs, one to control the brightness level and one to control the color temperature. No menu, no confusion, just a twist and go. It's tactile, it's fast, it's exactly how every lantern should work. The lantern is designed to make sure it lights all your needs. It has a stand that allows it to rotate 360 degrees to assure that you get the light exactly where you need it. The stand is also magnetic, so you can mount it to any metal surface. And it has a universal 1/4-inch screw to make sure you can mount it to any tripod or any other mount. Oh, did I mention it's tough too? It's IP66 rated, splash proof and dust proof, and a drop resisting up to 1 meter. Whether you're on a rainy job site or a muddy trail, the NWL30 can handle it. And now for the operation guide. To turn the lantern on, crank the left dial and it will start on 50 lumens. And by rotating the dial, it will increase the lumens all the way to 3,000 lumens. While the dial on the right is to change the color temperature from cool light 6500 Kelvin to warm light 2700 Kelvin and everything in between. And to turn it off, use the left dial to lower the lumens until you hear the click. And to use the red light, press and hold the button on the top with the letter R on it. And if you want to switch to the red flashing light, press the button with the letter R again. And if you want to turn it off, press and hold the button with the letter R. And if you want to use it as a power bank, in the bottom you have two ports. USB Type-C, and that one is the 20 watts in and out, which you can use it to charge the lantern or charge other devices. And also USB Type-A, and this one you can only use it to charge other devices. And now let's talk about what I think about the NWL30. Well, I'll have you be the judge, because right now I'm being lighted by two LED lights that's on full blast, and I'm gonna turn the NWL30. This is what it can do on 3,000 lumen. I can barely see. It's not just a gadget, it's a multi-tool that replaces multiple pieces of gear, light, cover, charging, no sweat, and can do even more. If you're out camping, or your job site is pitch black, or you're just preparing for emergencies, the Nitecore NWL30 is a total game changer. Let us know in the comments below what's the one piece of gear that you will not go camping without. And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.